Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna prime our face. I'm gonna take the same primer. I'm gonna use that under my eyes, just like that, and over my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my translucent powder, and you know the drill. I'm gonna go all over it on my eyes, around my eyes, and with my powder brush I'm gonna use it all over my face, just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shaptape concealer. I'm gonna take the concealer and use it on my eyes just to cancel out all this darkness on my eyes. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. This is a wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna tap this on this eyelid just to cancel out all damn darkness. So I'm not gonna do my foundation or concealer first because the shadow we're gonna use, it's gonna fall out and it's gonna be messy. So you wanna do your eyes first and then your base. Now we're gonna set our eyelid one more time with the same translucent powder, so all the color is spreading evenly and it's not patchy. That's why we use powder after the concealer. Now I'm taking the eye pencil and just outline my crease. And I'm gonna just tap this on my eyes. Now I'm gonna take the brush. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. Okay, so now I'm taking BH Cosmetic Midnight palette. I'm using this really nice matte blue color, and I'm gonna use it on the base where we applied our eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm taking this blending brush using the shade Gray. They don't have a name on it, so I'm just gonna call it Gray. That's the shade I'm using. And blending this on the top of the crease. Taking this shade, this mauve kind of nice shade. It's lighter than the gray, so we're gonna blend that on the top of the second color we have used. Now I'm taking the big fluffy brush just to blend everything. Make sure you blend your eyeshadow really nice so it's not looking crazy. Taking the wet tissue paper and just trying to wipe that crazy eyeshadows. Now we're gonna use the corrector. I'm using the same LA Girl Peach corrector, and I'm using the beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm using my concealer and use that under my eyes and on my face just to cover all the discoloration. Now I'm gonna use the same beauty blender and using the other side, and I'm gonna blend my concealer. Okay, so now I'm taking my translucent powder and I'm gonna set my face. Okay, so now back to the eyes. After we are done with the base, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I am going to use my Tarte eyeliner and tightline my eyeballs. Now I'm going to use the light eyeshadow, the super light eyeshadow we have used at the end, run it through my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the same blue eyeshadow and I'm going to use that outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm taking my eyeliner and going to line my waterline. So now I'm going to use my magnetic eyelashes and then pop that on my eyeballs, and I'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to highlight our face. I'm going to use my handy dandy Lou Manizer, and I'm going to use that on the high points of my face. Use the setting spray and squeeze that nicely on the brush, and I'm going to use the highlighter just to highlight my inner corner. So now I'm going to use the butter bronzer. I'm going to use this bronzer just to bronze my forehead. Now I'm gonna use Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm gonna use that on my cheek. Okay, now I'm gonna use the butter bronzer one more time and I'm gonna contour my nose. Now I'm gonna use the same brush and highlight my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm just taking my brow thingy majingy and gonna fill up my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm using my Tarte blusher in the shade Seduce. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Milani lip liner in the shade Spice. Okay, so now here I'm using committed liquid lipstick from the Balm. Just a little tip that if you're going dark with your eyeshadow, go with the lighter lips, like a nude kind of lips or like a light kind of pinky color. If you're going like super dark with your lips, keep your eyes neutral, like light shimmery kind of shade, and that's it. You don't want to go like crazy dark color if you're going like a dark with your lips too. That's all. That's all. That's a little tip. Okay, so last but not the least, I'm going to use my setting spray and set everything. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like this look then please give it a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, and I'll see you next time. Bye.